नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणि प्रचारिणि निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणि। जय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
कृष्ण
Krishna
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram
Rama,
Ram,
Rama
Hare
Rama.
Hare.
Unmute all. Let us chant together. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare.
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare
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 Rama,
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 Rama
Rama
Hare
Rama,
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 Hare
Rama
Hare
Hare.
Rama, Hare
Hare,
Hare.
Hare, Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna.
Mataji,
Thank you
Namaskaram.
so much, Mataji. Thank you very much. Yes, Vamshidhar Prabhu. We will all, after everybody joins, remind me, we will wish Vamshidhar Prabhu happy Krishna conscious birthday. Okay, now only three of us are there. At the end, we will wish so that everybody will join. Yes? Okay. Very nice. Now, can any one of you tell me what are the promises Krishna made yesterday? Krishna made some promises yesterday, right? What are those promises? Hare Krishna. Oh, I am not sure. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Two important promises. You think of the verses. Yesterday we saw the Chatushloki. What are the Chatushloki shlokas? Agam sarvasya prabhu matta sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. This establishes the relation with Krishna. Then machita madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam bodhayanta parasparam manasyanti mam kritya tushyanti cha ramanti cha. This is the process, abhideya. Then two verses are the prayojana. What will happen if you follow this process, all the time glorify Krishna? What will happen? Tesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. So I told the verse now. Now you have to tell me the promises Krishna gives, okay? So say Tesham satata yuktanam, and you will always continuously worship me. Bhajatam priti purvakam. This priti is what Krishna is asking, no? Bhaktya mam abhijanati priti purvakam. That so you will become, or you will start worshipping me with love and devotion. Dadami buddhi yogantam yena mam upayanti te. So I give you the memory with which you will be definitely be able to attain me. Then 10.11 Tesham evana kampartam ahamajnana jamtamaha nashayam atma bhavasto jnana dipena bhasvata. I will light that light of knowledge, dispelling the ignorance of darkness, darkness of ignorance. Hare Krishna. Now you tell me what are the promises Krishna has made?
Oh, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Who knows me? I am the Supreme Personality of God. God. Those who love with devotion, with determination, I always serving with love and give them understanding by they easily come to me.
Is that there in yesterday's verse?
Ah,
Okay, so what is the
satata yuktana bhajante priti
So what
purvakam.
is the promise he gives? I didn't ask the translation.
Oh,
Krishna gives two
he
promises.
promises they will definitely they will get liberated.
That
If
is they will get liberated is a statement. It's a
yeah,
declaration. Krishna
yes.
is making a declaration. Just before that, I will give you. What is he giving us? What promise he is giving us? Same, we are
Great
very
satisfaction
close.
and blissful enlightenment. He was in.
Prabhuji, just one word before you go. You told the correct answer. But one small, slightest change in that. That's all. I give you the understanding. In 10th verse, you see, I give you the understanding. So Krishna
Yes,
is
Mataji, I
promising.
give the understanding.
So
Yes,
that's it.
Mataji.
That's a promise. That's all. So first promise is, I give you the understanding. And in 11th one, what promise he gives? I destroy. To
Yes,
show
shining lamp, my
special
knowledge in
mercy,
the
I
darkness,
destroy.
born ignorance.
Yes. So he is giving two promises. Correct? In Bhagavad Gita, he has given so many promises. If we start discussing the whole, like 40 minutes or 1 hour, fall short. So many promises he has given. But in these, Chatushloki, in yesterday's verses, these two promises Krishna gives. So when Krishna gives promise, we don't believe. We don't believe. What he wants? Chitta Madgata Prana Bodhayanta Parasparam Manasyantam, well, not Manasyantasya, Katayantasya Manityam Tushyanti cha Ramanti cha. This is the only process he wants. You do this process, I promise you, these are the results. Right? So, such wonderful verse. Then we went to this one. Param Brahma, Param Dhamma, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusham, Shashvatam, Divyam, Adidevam, Majam Vivum. Okay, then Agutsva Rishiyat Sarve, Devarshina Radhastata, Atsito Devalo Vyasa, Swayam Yeva, Swayam Chaiva Bravishime. Correct? So this is after hearing this Chatushloki, Arjuna totally surrendered. Arjuna is saying, you are that Param Brahma. What is it? You are the supreme truth. You are ultimate abode. You are the purest, untainted, no single. That one day I forgot to tell. What is that? Apichetsu duracharo. In the 9th chapter we learned, even if my devotee fall down, this is another promise, you see. Apichetsu duracharo bhajate mam ananya bhakt sadhureva samantavya samyak vyavastito hi saha. If my devotee falls down also, it is my responsibility. You don't have to think he has fallen down. No, I'll put them back. This is another promise. So in that, one beautiful analogy Srila Prabhupada has given. These small things, small offense, it's not offense, mistakes committed by devotees are like that black spots on the moon. It is not permanent. It will go away, right? So Krishna will vanish it. Another promise. It's in the next verse. Chipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shantimni gachate kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. My devotee will never perish. Another promise. So promise, if you see, Krishna is going on giving promise after promise. But this Maya is so strong, right? Okay, why did we go to that? The analogy. I wanted to tell about that analogy. Why? It's motivating. Prabhupada is saying, we all are like that. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we fall down. So don't worry. Don't worry. Krishna is there to catch our Teshamagam Samudratam. I will help you to cross this material ocean. Another promise. I will help you to cross this ocean. Okay? So Krishna is always there with us. It is only because of Maya that Avritam. You remember what is the word? We saw, no? That this is the embryo is covered by the strongest. It's very difficult for the embryo to come out. Opening that Avritam, covering. So, but anyway, Manusha Janma is that. Durlabha Manusha. So tomorrow I will give this bhajan to Ananya Mataji. She will say, Durlabha Manus just Janma. This rarest of rarest, this Manusha Janma to get. So utilize it. Cross this material ocean. Yesterday we saw another verse, if you remember, that Bhakti Lata Beach in the 10th verse or 10.10 or 10.9, I referred to Srila Prabhupada's purport 10, I think. Yes, it is 10. That Bhakti Lata Beach very rarely people get. Brahmanda Brahmita Kone Brahmana Brahmita Kone Bhagyavana Jiva Bhakti Lata Guru Kripa Prasade Paye Bhakti Lata Bija. Guru Kripa Prasade very rarely people get. Getting Guru Kripa is like Bhakti Lata Beej. If the beej is sown by the spiritual master, when the appropriate circumstances come, it will sprout like anything and it will grow. Granthi. That also it will know. It will cross here. From here it goes, crosses all the 7 upper planetary systems, 6 above us, and it crosses the Brahmaloka, and finally it crosses the Vraja river and it will go to Goloka. Right? Yes. So, beautiful verses, right? Okay, now after knowing Krishna about this, all these are the opulences of Krishna, vibhutis. But still, Arjuna is telling, I am not telling this. Asito Devalo Vyasa Swayameva Bravishmi. He said, even the Asita Devala, they all are the rishis created by Brahma. Brahma's creation. 7 rishis, 11 Rudras. If you remember, we saw that in the slide also. 8 Vasus. So these people created by Brahma, they themselves are told that you are the absolute truth. You are, because if I tell, people will say, Are Arjuna will tell you anything about Krishna. His very close friend, no, that is why he's talking like that. No, Krishna. These rishis have told you about you, that you are the original person, you are the unborn. What is the word we you saw for unborn here? Original
Ajam.
Lord and
Ajam.
again, Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum. Correct? Okay, so many these beautiful words we should know, but that Mayavadis, impersonalists, and these people do not believe when Krishna comes in his personal form with the 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs like that. Why they don't understand? But again, 9th chapter, beautiful verse. Abhijananti mamuda manushim tanum ashritam. When I come in this, people deride me. Manushim tanumashita. They are mudas. Abhijananti mamuda. Na jananti. They don't know. Janati is knowing. Na janati. So you do one thing, Krishna. Can you show everything practically? So that, tomorrow if somebody comes and claims, I am that Supreme Personality of Godhead, we can immediately know, oh, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Show 400 form. Show the Vibhuti Yoga. What is Vibhuti Yoga? Material form. But all the Devatas, 33 crore Devatas are in that body. This is only for the impersonalists, to motivate them, right? Not for the devotees. Devotees on the Shyamasundara, Tribangi Shyamasundara. Arjuna also will get the darshan at the end of this chapter. Okay, Ananya Mataji, start Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare,
1 slide we go, otherwise towards the end nobody gets. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Read the verse also, Mataji.
Okay. 10.14. Sarvam itat ritam manye yan mam vadasi keshava nahi te bhagavana vyaktim vidur deva na
Danava. Deva and Danava. Deva is Devatas, Danava is Asuras.
Oh Krishna, I totally accept as the truth all that you have told me. Neither the gods nor the demons, O Lord, nor the personality.
Whoa.
10.15.
Thy personality. They know your personality. Even Devatas don't understand. What are the examples that Devata also do not understand your personality? Examples.
Indra.
Haribol, Govardhan Leela, correct? Yes. One more. Somebody else. Devatas also get bewildered. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaya Mukhyanti Yaha Surayaha. Suras, Mukhyanti, get bewildered. 1.1.1, Bhagavatam.
Brahmas for the cows.
Yeah, that's what. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. Yeah, very good. Brahma Vimohan Leela. Yes, there are so many examples. Bhagavatam, so many verses are there. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
10.15. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own potentials, O origin of all, Lord of all beings, God of gods, O Supreme Person, Lord of the universe. The
Hare
acceptance of
Krishna.
Arjuna,
Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
the acceptance of Arjuna of all that Krishna says should be emulated, then we can understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita, and then only can we understand that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. This is given from the purport of Srila Prabhupada. First of all, acceptance of Arjuna. If Arjuna accepts, then others will. He says that it should be emulated. And everyone do not. Understanding Bhagavad Gita, that too especially in 18 days, how many courses are over? 57th or 8th batch is going on. How many people took advantage of this? How many are continuing? 7 were there, 2 dropped. Hare Krishna. I don't know who are the 2. And 2 of them dropped. Maybe network, I don't know. Okay. So, Once we understand the Bhagavad Gita in 18 days, then we go to in-depth study. Now soon we will all go to third level also. It's now you feel it's very easy to understand provided we have the Krishna, faith on Krishna and Krishna's mercy. Isn't it? Yes. So nothing is impossible. Krishna tells no. So nothing is impossible. Yes, Asha Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Swayam Vetatvam Purushottama Bhutabhavana Bhutesha Devadeva Jagatpate. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your own internal potency. O Supreme Person, origin of all, Lord of all beings, God of gods, Lord of the universe.
Hare
10.16.
Krishna. Even there, when he came in 200 form, Yashoda Maya, she also could not understand why. Because after seeing the entire universe into his mouth also, Krishna made her forget with his Yoga Maya potency. Internal potency is Yoga Maya potency. Same thing he did with Devaki also, right? When he came in 400 form and they forgot. Because if they all do not forget that my son is the Lord of all lords, they will not be able to. Main reason of Krishna coming again and again is, number one, to reclaim the fallen souls who are in Sattva Guna. Everybody will not go. He is personally coming to take those people who are in Sattva Guna. Another one, to give that pleasure potency to his devotees. To Machita Madgata Prana, to immerse in the rasas, primary rasas. What are the primary rasas? How we can perceive Krishna? In what are the rasas we can perceive Krishna? Hare Krishna. Okay. Shanta Dasya Sakya. Shanta Dasya Sakya. Shanta Balram. Dasya Hanuman. Sakya Arjun. Then comes the most important thing. Madhurya and Vatsalya. Vatsalya Yashodamaya Nandababa. Madhurya, all the gopis of Vraja. Right? They forgot that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Had they not forgotten, they would not have. Had Arjuna had forgotten, he tells, I think in this verse only, after seeing, in this chapter only, Oh Krishna, I did not know you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I shared my plate with you. We ate, what my remnants. You have eaten, I played with you. I have, that the Gopas used to play that Goda. They used to, sit on the back and they used to hit with the leg, no, go, Goda fast, like that they have played. You see how fortunate they are, right? Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Oktam arhasya asheshena divyah atma vibhutayah yabir vibhutibir lokan imam svam vyapya tishtasi. Please tell me in detail of your divine opulences by which you pervade all these worlds. Hare Krishna.
So, if Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you. If anything is left also, oh Krishna, please tell me. If you have not told me, because in the beginning, what did Krishna say? Oh Arjuna, I am going to give you that knowledge which I have not told you before. So there may be many more like that. So Arjuna wants to make this is the bhav of Shrota. Shrota has to be like that. Shrota, the audience, motivate the artist. Is it not? Same way Bhagavatam came because Parikshit Maharaj asked question. But even before that, Bhagavatam came because Vyasadeva asked questions to Narada Muni. That is the original, is it not? Even before that, if you take Parvati Devi and Lord Shiva, Parvati Devi humbly requested Lord Shiva to know, you keep, most of the time, you sit with your devotees and you keep discussing something, and what is that you discuss? Then he tells it is the Bhagavatam. Oh, will you tell me that Bhagavatam? What is it all about? Then Shivaji tells, okay, I'll tell you one condition. You should not sleep. Okay? So, I will close my eyes and once I start Bhagavatam, I don't even know where am I, what do I do? I will totally be in trance. So you keep telling, I have told this, I have shared this before also. So then he starts reciting the Bhagavatam. So as usual, maybe the Parvati ji is, like maybe she might have slept before also. That's the reason Shiva is telling. Now also she slept. But a Shuka, a parrot, was listening to this beautiful story so well. And he did not want to lose the story. So he started saying, mm, mm. And when Bhagavatam was over, suddenly Lord Shiva opened his eyes. Parvati is fast asleep. And he saw this parrot. He started chasing the parrot. I don't want you to hear this Bhagavatam. Why did you like that? He started chasing. What did the do? It ran. The bird flew, escaped from Lord Shiva and got into the womb of. Who is that? As Shukadev Goswami into the womb of Vyasa Devasmini, I think Satyavati. He entered, the parrot entered. So Shukadeva Goswami already heard this Bhagavatam when he was like a parrot, Lord Shiva telling Parvati. Also he heard it when Vyasamuni was telling his wife. Also after coming out at the age of 14, he came out only at the age of 14. He didn't want to come out. Then Narada Muni had to plead the Lord. Lord himself came. Oh, Shuka, please come out. No, I won't come. Maya is very strong. Here Maya, Mama Maya Durataya. That will catch hold of me. No, I'm very happy in my mother's womb. See, she's suffering like anything. Please come. I give you promise. Maya cannot touch you. Maya cannot come near you. Don't worry. I give you promise. Come out. Then he came. He ran. He left the home and he went into the forest. He did not want to stay at home. He immediately went. That time only I have told that verse Bhagavatam. You remember 10.21.5. Varga Pidam Nadavarapu Karnayogo Karnakaram Vibhadravasa Kanakapisham Vaijayanti Chamalam Randhran Veno Radhara Sudaya Purayan Go Pravandehi Vrindaranyam Swapada Ramanam Pravishadki Gita Kirtitihi. So beautiful. It's describing the beauty of the Lord. Like what the Lord is wearing, what are the garments, that yellow color garment, like Kanaka Pisham Vaijayanti Malam. Once he heard it, he is going and seeing who all are reciting this verse, the sages. He said, who told you this verse? Whom you are talking about? Otherwise, he was a Jnani. He knows everything, right? He was a Jnani. He was not a devotee. The sages told, this is describing our Supreme Personality of Godhead, absolute truth, Lord Shri Krishna. Who told you this all? There is one Vyasadeva. He told, oh, Vyasadeva is my father only. What is that U-turn? He took a U-turn, ran to his home, and he again heard it. That was Shravanam. And when Parishit Maharaj came, asking him, now I accept you as my devotional master, I'm a spiritual master, and tell me I have only 7 days. What am I supposed to do? Then he started. Shunvanti Gayanti Grananti, she also said, na? Kunti prayer. Shunvatam Swakatam Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtanaka. You listen to this. Pravishya Karna Randrena. So Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narotamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. He immediately pays obeisances to all the, like Saraswati, Supreme Personality of Godhead, everybody, and he starts reciting Bhagavatam. Okay, so where are we? Yes, who is next? Loknath Prabhu is there? Hare Krishna, Prabhuji is not there. Ritvika Mataji, go ahead. You can recite the verse also.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Should I start?
Yeah, yes. 10.7.
Bhagavad Gita 10.17. Katham vidyam aham yogins tvam sada parichintayan keshu keshu cha vaveshu chintyo Sri Bhagavan Maya. O Krishna, O Supreme Mystic, how shall I constantly think of you, and how shall I know you? In what various forms are you to be remembered, O Supreme Personality of Godhead?
Hare Krishna, sorry. What happened? What is the word which tells you? Very important word in this. We have seen so many times. What is that word? Sada parichintayan. Tesham satata yuktana. Continuously. Apratihata. Right? So this Sada Parichintayan is a very, 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 very important in devotion. Today I will do Bhakti, tomorrow I will not do. Holidays I will do Bhakti, working days I will not do. No. Tam Sataiva Bhajamigam. They continuously worship me. Continuously keep, what is it? Shavanam Kirtanam Mananam about me. Yes, Mataji. Next.
Bhagavad Gita 10.18 Tadine Atmano Yogam Vibhutim Cha Janardhana Bhuya Kathaya Triptirhi Sranvato Nasti Me Mritam.
Mritam.
Mritam. O
Amritam.
Janardhan.
It is actually Amritam. That's what. Nasti, nasti, nasti. Amritam, not there. Nasti means it's not there. No, that's a negative meaning. Amritam, your nectar, Krishna's nectar. We all know what is Amritam is, right? Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
O Janardhana, again please describe in detail the mystic power of your opulences. I am never satiated in hearing about you. For the more I hear, the more I want to taste the nectar of your words. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. I'm never satiated. This is another quality of this. Who is that? Hearer. What do we say? Shrota. Right? And when another Bhagavatam, after Shukadeva Goswami told Parishit Maharaj, there was Suta Goswami. So the Bhagavatam book which we have got is the Bhagavatam told by Suta Goswami to the sages in the Nainmisharanya. They asked Suta Goswami this question only. Just now I told no, the audience motivate. So the Shonaka Adi Muni. Shonaka Muni was the head. Under him, other sages are there. He asked Suta Goswami, O Suta, you are our humble master. We pay our obeisances to you. You yourself had heard when Parishit Maharaj was hearing Bhagavatam and recited by Shukadeva Goswami, correct? Can you all tell for the Loka Kalyan? Objective you see, Kali Yuga is coming. Loka Kalyan, in this Kali Yuga, people do not have any, how to take shelter, they do not know. Can you please tell all of us about this Bhagavatam, how it came all? So they are inquisitively inquiring. So inquiring is very, 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 very important. Arjuna has so many questions, that's why we have Bhagavad Gita. Parishit Maharaj has so many questions. Uddhava asked so many questions to Uddhava. Who said? Vidura.
Gopis.
Mataji. Bhagavatam told by, recited by Uddhava and Uddhava Aswar. Vidura and Uddhava. Whom do they ask? How can I forget that? I can't forget. I'll tell you. Okay. So they asked question. So like that, the inquiry is very, 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 very important in all these scriptures. That is what here, hearing about you. I am never satiated in hearing about you. For the most I hear. So here Arjuna is saying, I am requesting Krishna, talk more about your opulences. Yes. Maitreya Muni, Hare Krishna. I'm not supposed to forget this. See, was Uddhava and Vidura. Vidura went, did not fight, right? He told Duryodhan, control your son, and it's not good. Duryodhan ulta chastised Vidura. So Vidura left and he went for Tirtha. Then Vidura came, he meets Uddhava. And he asks about Uddhava, what are all happening, what happened, where is Krishna, all those things. So he tells, no. Actually, I met Maitreya Muni. Maitreya Muni told me, he told everything. He told all the Bhagavatam, everything he told about Krishna. But he told me not to tell you. He told Vidura will come and ask you. Don't tell Vidura all that what I have told. Tell Vidura to come and meet me. Vidura will come to me and he will ask, then I will tell. So this inquiring about Krishna is a very important thing. That is why we had this verse in the 4th chapter. You remember? Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevayam. We have to ask question humbly. Upateshanti te jnanam jnanina tattva darshinaha. Whom should we ask this question? Jnanina tattva darshinaha. Who are the tattva darshis? One who has realized the supreme. One who has realized the self. I am not this body, I am the soul. Who are those who have realized tattva darshis? Our spiritual masters. So we have to surrender to our spiritual masters and humbly ask them questions. So that's what tadvidhi. With means to know. Tadvidhi pranipatena. Pariprashna, one who knows about the Supreme. You have to humbly ask question. Yes. Next, who is there? In Ritvika Mataji, you have read, right? Now, Amshidhar Prabhu. Amshidhar Prabhu, go ahead. I'll see whether any verse comes. Just you read this first.
How should I meditate on you? In what various form are you to be completed?
Contemplated.
Contemplated. Oh, blessed Lord. Bhagavad Gita 10.18. Tell me again in details, O Janardana, Krishna, of your mighty potencies and glories, for I never tire of hearing your ambrosial words.
Ambrosial words. Yes. See here again, hearing came. This is the 4th verse in 10th chapter about hearing it is said. Right? More than that. Previous verse, you see, contemplated. Dhyayate vishayan pumsha. We said, no, the mind keeps contemplating on vishaya vastu, material things. That is why we want to somehow, what is that? There is one verb. Steal, but do or die. Do or die, you have to get it. So like that, contemplation, people keep contemplating about Vishaya, actually. But here, whom should we contemplate upon? In what various forms we have to contemplate about you, oh Krishna, tell me about that. So that we will have many varieties to contemplate. Already there are so many Nama, Rupa, Guna, Leela, all are nothing, none other than Krishna himself. We can contemplate on his name, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. His forms, what are all the forms he has shown? Vaikuntha, 4-armored form, 6-handed form, the 2-handed form, right? So many forms are there, okay? What is that? Yesterday, one PPT, that slide I told, I'll tell. That is Narnarayana. Narnarayana Rishi. Okay, one I will see and let you know. I said no. So that is Narnarayana. They give darshan to Markandeya also. And Markandeya Muni. Okay, we will not enter into that. It's a big story. Okay. Here, contemplation. So what is contemplation? This is the next level after Shravanam. Shravanam, Kirtanam, okay. But hearing, contemplating, that is Nididhyasan. Mananam is contemplation, then Nididhyasan. Okay, here, contemplate and go into the deep. It is like the cow. What do we call that? It has got 3, 4 or 6 backs, It eats. After it eats. Whenever it gets opportunity, so much grass it ate. Then it will go and sit in one place, chew and punaga charvita charvananam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says. Okay, it brings it back It chews like anything. Again, sends it to the next bag. Again, brings it back, chews and sends it to the next bag. This is mananam, contemplation. Then the next step is nididhyasan. So after hearing, Krishna is saying, oh, you heard all the classes. Now, whatever work you are doing, keep on remembering what Krishna told in Saint Saturday. What did he say? Oh, he told about that, what do you call that? Very important thing. He had given 2 promises. We just now discussed. So what are those promises? What are the other promises Krishna has given in Bhagavad Gita? Which are the chapters he has given promises? So again, nididhyasan. Then we can, now more than promises, one more thing also, no, he has given, this is promise, and he has given advices also. You do this. Promises, he told, I will do this. He has asked us also to do many things. Correct? So that is, it's not his request, it is his order. He has told us to do so many things. What are those things he has told us to do? Tesham satata yuktana. Always worship me. Manmana bhav madbhakto. Always remember me. Become my devotee. Pay obeisances unto me. These are the orders here he is giving us. So what are the orders and what are the promises? Mananam and nididhyasan. So by hearing, switch off. We go off the track and we don't remember whatever we learned today. Yes or no? Yes. Go once again. You go through, Prabhu. Read this.
The opulences of absolute. Arjuna requests to hear more about Krishna's glories. Advantages of hearing Krishna's opulences. Hearing increases remembrance. Always think of Krishna. One is never satiated.
We don't get tired.
Satiated by hearing about Krishna. Thus, by remembering Krishna, one can relish great nectar.
Please describe in detail.
Please describe in detail the mystic power of you opulences. I never satiated in hearing.
Yes, about you. Correct.
About
Thank you,
you. More I hear you, more, and the more I wanted to taste the nectar of your words.
Your words, correct. Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhuji. See, Krishna, same word he is repeating. The Sutta Goswami and Shonakadi rishis told Sutta Goswami, the more you tell us about Bhagavatam and Krishna's pastimes, the more we want to hear. We never become satiated. That's what will happen. See, first what? Advantages of hearing is what? It will not only increase our memory, it helps us to remember Krishna. Tesham satata yuktana. So the more we remember Krishna, the more, see, when the lovers before wedding, the girl wants to always hear from and about. From her beloved and hear about from some others about her beloved, both about the beloved. So she wants to hear more. She feels so happy. Same way the other boy also. Right? Why? The more we hear, attachment, more attachment we get. Is it not? So Krishna, Arjuna is telling Krishna, oh Krishna, I never get satiated hearing from you. Please, why don't you tell me about more opulences? So this is the next set of words where Krishna is telling about all his opulences. Verse is not coming only, Prabhuji. Okay, when verse comes, I'll give it to you back. Okay, Prabhu. Yeah. Viraj Prabhu, who is Hare Krishna, Kannada. Mataji, Saumyashri Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Actually, I completed second level, but
okay.
Now only weekly 2 days. So I thought to join here.
Hari Bol. Okay? Let us all welcome Mataji once again.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji, for joining. It is 7 to 8. We are in the 10th chapter, Mataji. Okay, you are most welcome to our class. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like to read, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, okay. I called out Viraj Prabhu's name. After that, I'll give you a chance. Okay, Mataji? Yes. Hare Krishna, Viraj Prabhu. Go ahead.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hare Krishna.
Why Arjuna wanted to hear more about all the Captivating opulences of Krishna, BG 10.16 to 18. Krishna Arjuna's reason, BG 10.16. Arjun is already satisfied with the understanding of Krishna and has no doubt about Krishna's position. 10.1. For sake of common people, 10.2, 10.1, second point. For sake of a materialistic, 10.1, third point. For personal absorption, Arjuna wants to know how shall I constantly think of you. 10.1, number 4. To taste the nectar, wants to hear more and more and taste the nectar of his words.
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. See, can any one of you tell me from yesterday's verse where it establishes the relation with Krishna? The first one you see, Arjuna already satisfied. He doesn't want to, to be proved further. Oh, Krishna, I am the, source of all sources. Do any one of you collect from yesterday's verse what is the relation? Or Krishna says, I am the source of all sources? Yes, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Who wants to tell? I gave you hint also from yesterday's verse.
Can you repeat the question? I didn't
Question
understand.
is, where does Krishna tell that I am the source of all sources from yesterday's 4 verses? 10.8. You forgot all of you. 10.8. Agam sarvasya prabhavo mattaga sarvam pravartate. Everything is emanated from me. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. I have emanated everything. Everything is manifest with my energy, my source. I am the external interior, my inferior energy. I am the Tadastha energy from which living entities have come. I am the my internal potency, my Yogamaya energy. Is it not? What is that verse? In which chapter we learned Krishna's 3 energy? Hare Krishna. Yes? What happened? You all are there today? Hari Bol.
Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmik, no?
No, Prabhuji, they are the mysteries.
Oh, those are mysteries, huh?
3. Aparayam mitasvanyam prakritim vidhi me param jiva bhutam. You remember? Jiva bhutam yam. Aparayam mitasvanyam. Apart from this inferior energy, there's one more superior energy. Jiva bhutam mahabhaho edam dharyate jagat. With my superior energy compared to my exterior jiva bhutam. What is jiva bhutam? Living entities. Right? Krishna tells in the 7th chapter, 7.5. Correct? So these all are the relation. So after knowing this, will Arjun have any doubt? Bhumirapo Analvayu. Rasovamapsu Kaunteya. Maya Dakshetena Prakriti Suyate Sacharacharam. Everything is acting under my energy, the whole material world, material energies and nature. Right? But still, why is he asking? For the sake of common people like us, even after hearing, that Dunahuti Shamalam Krishna is not happening. What is Dunahuti Shamalam Krishna? Krishna sits and cleans. Shunvatam Swakatam Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtanam Hridayante Sekha Abhadrani. Krishna tells, I will dispel all the Abhadra in your heart, which is not happening still. So, again and again, we have to hear about Krishna. Just as we saw the married couple, we can say, or the lovers, we can say, isn't it? This quote, Srila Prabhupada quotes, for personal absorption, the more we hear about anybody, then it happens, Dhyayate Vishayan Pumsa. We keep thinking about that to taste the nectar. See that chanting, the more we get into that 3rd stage, 3 stages. Who remembers the 3 stages in chanting? First stage is full aparadha stage only. Is it not? Initially, when we start chanting, can we chant without any offense? Nama parad. Then comes Nama Bhas. Nama Bhas, the intermediary. 2, then comes Shuddha Nama. So Nama Bhas stage, most of us Very difficult to cross. It's an intermediary stage. That means the process which takes us from the Nama Aparadha stage to Nama Bhas stage. So that is what is here. The more we chant, what will happen? Prabhupada says we should feel that Krishna is dancing on our tongue. You know, like when we loudly start chanting, full chitta madgata prana, full focus at the lotus feet of Lord Krishna, you feel Krishna is dancing. You feel the taste in your tongue that Krishna is there. How sweet this name is. It is at the book, it is all written in Harinam Chintamani. Beautiful verse. Bhakti Vinoda Thakur. Beautiful book. Harinam Chintamani. That tells Harinam is Chintamani. What is Chintamani? Who knows? We know, we have learnt about that story. Chintamani. Hare Krishna. Today all of Maunavrata.
Wishfulment. Wishfulment stone, Mataji.
Yes, touchstone. Which story? Who had the touchstone?
Jarai Madaya.
Huh?
Sanatana Goswami.
No,
Hari Bol, Sanatan Goswami. Yes, Sanatan Goswami, that Brahmana came from Kashi. You
Yes,
remember?
yes.
Yeah, then Sanatan Goswami tells.
And I heard this story from my old class.
Give me what is your what you have the more valuable than anything.
Exactly.
Then take it that.
So what is the answer Sanatan Goswami gave?
You want
Hare
more,
Krishna,
then
Mama.
throw it on sea, then come to me.
Hari Bol, throw it in the sea. Go and throw it in the sea, ocean. And then come to me, then I will give you which more valuable than this. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Yes. Then whose turn it is? Mataji, Saumya Shri Mataji. Correct?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Read Mataji.
Summary section D, verses 10.19 to 10.42. Krishna's opulences. Krishna describes the most prominent among his limitless, all-pervading opulences, names his opulences, and then explains that these opulences simply indicate a fraction of his glory because he pervades and supports the entire universe with a mere fragment of his total potential.
Hari Bol. So this is only fragments. He pervades with fragments. We have already seen. Though he creates everything, he is totally independent. What is the word we have seen for independent? He is not involved. Maya cannot touch him, though Maya is his creation. One word from Bhagavatam. Swarat. He is Swarat, totally independent. Janmadasya eton anvayat. Anvayat is directly and indirectly. Janmadasya eton anvayat itaratas. Anvayat directly, itaratas indirectly. He knows Abhijna Swarat. He knows everything and he is totally independent. We have seen the example, the chief engineer knows everything about the whole project. He may not come daily, he may not see daily, but he knows every nook and corner. Similarly, the Lord is happily and freely lying down where? Where does the Lord lie down? Yesterday we saw, day before we saw.
Cosmic ocean, Mataji.
Hari Bol, Karna ocean, right? In the sweat. What is Karna ocean? It is nothing but he is full of fragrance, his sweat. He is happily lying down there. So he is Swarat and he is Abhijna, cognizant. He knows everything. Hare Krishna, every single fragment. See, we all are fragment, part and parcel of Krishna. Which verse tells this? Which verse tells that we have not learnt it, but I have referred many times. Level 1 also you have learnt, right? Which verse?
15.16, I think.
No, Prabhu, the chapter which we have not learnt in level 2. 15.7. Correct. 15.7. Mamaivamsho jivaloke jivabhuta sanatana. Mamaivamsho. You all are my part and parcel. Hare Krishna. Yes, Vamshidhar Prabhu, verse came. Read.
Sri Bhagavan Hantate kathayishyami divyahai atma vibhutaya pradhanyata kuru shrestha nastya nato visharashyame.
Vistarasyame. Very elaborate. Vistarasyame. Yeah.
The blessed Lord said, "Yes, I will tell you my
Splendor.
splendorous manifestation, but I only those which are prominent, O Arjuna, for my opulence is limitless."
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Because, see, I mean, we know that each and every atom is his creation. But also we need to know that every guna what we have, he is the source of all sources. Right? In the 13th chapter, we have no Amanitvam Madambitvam, chapter 13.8 to 12. Amanitvam Madambitvam Ahimsa Kshantir Arjavam Acharya Upasanam Shaucham Satyam Atmavinigraha. Like that, there are 24 qualities. Not only that, we go to 17th chapter. Asura Guna, Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhir, Jnana Yoga Vyavastitaka, Danam, Tamascha, Yajnascha, everything is Krishna. So, like that, if I have to tell, it's limitless. I can't tell everything. So, whatever is very important, Arjuna, I will definitely tell you that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Tomorrow onwards, we have that columnar form. I am the best of everything will come. So before anyone leaves, I just want everyone to wish Vamshidhar Prabhu. That is why you all might be wondering why only verse to Vamshidhar Prabhu. Today is his happy Krishna conscious birthday. So we will all pray Krishna to give Vamshidhar Prabhu the right approach, all whatever he deserves on the path of devotion, to come closer to association of devotees, close association of devotees and to Krishna. So we will all wish Vamshidhar Prabhu by saying the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Okay, so all of you tell loudly. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare.
Hare
Hare
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama
Rama
Hare.
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.
So Vamshidhar Prabhu, all happy Krishna conscious birthday to you on all
Thank you,
behalf of
Mataji.
everybody. Hare Krishna. Thank you
I'm
so
really
much.
blessed, Mataji. What is I wanted to the greatest blessing, Mataji, for a devotee is knowing the supreme personality of Godhead and the devotional, the bhakti rasya. Gita, what Mataji in
Gita
Kunti,
Mahatmya, Kunti prayer.
Kunti prayer. Smaranti gayanti, kirtanti bhajanti.
Hari Hari Bol. I'm really thankful to Srila Prabhupada and Namanisha Prabhu. You all have learned Kunti prayer so fast. Very nice. Wonderful. And you are referring also. That day Mataji also referred. Ananya Mataji refers from all, like Jagannath pastimes. And Asha Mataji also referred from Kunti prayer. Very nice, Prabhu. Hari Hari Bol. Hare.
Krishna
This
says
is on
in
Mananam.
9th chapter, Mataji, right, Mataji? The
Right.
greatest desire has to be for Ati Durlava Manava Jiva is to get the supreme personality of the Godhead.
That bhajan only I told Ananya Mataji I will send today. So Durlabha Manusha, that beautiful bhajan. Mataji can hear the audio also, and tomorrow you can sing. Okay, Ananya Mataji? I will share that app in Vaishnava Bhajan app in our group. Plus, I will also share the link of